DJI Avata 360 just leaked again, and this time it reveals a killer feature that the Insta360 Antigravity A1 doesn't have. DJI's drone can switch between regular FPV mode and full 360-degree mode on the fly. This changes everything. Let me show you what makes this such a big deal. We've been tracking the Avata 360 for months, and each leak reveals more details. This latest one confirms something that was rumored back in November. The Avata 360 has a rotating camera housing. This might not sound like a huge deal, but it completely changes how you can use the drone. Here's how it works. The Avata 360 has dual cameras just like the Antigravity A1, but unlike the Insta360 drone where both cameras are fixed in position, the DJI's camera housing can rotate. In the leaked photos, you can clearly see one camera lens facing inward toward the drone body and the other facing outward in the normal position. Why does this matter? Because it means the Avata 360 can work as both a 360-degree drone and a traditional FPV drone. When both lenses face outward, you get full spherical 360-degree video. But when you rotate the housing so one lens faces inward, the drone switches to regular FPV mode with a standard field of view. The leaked image shows the remote control displaying a regular FPV image instead of a 360-degree view, confirming the drone was in traditional mode at that moment. This gives you incredible flexibility depending on what you're shooting. The Antigravity A1 can only shoot 360-degree video. That's amazing for immersive content and reframing in post-production. But sometimes you just want normal FPV flying without the 360 workflow. The Avata 360 lets you choose on the spot which mode you need. There's another huge advantage to this rotating design: no landing gear needed. The Antigravity A1 requires integrated landing gear to protect its bottom camera lens from scratching when you land. That adds weight and complexity. Because the Avata 360 can rotate its cameras inward, the lenses are protected without needing separate landing gear. It's a smarter, cleaner design. This rotating camera mechanism is reportedly based on technology from the DJI Osmo 360 camera. DJI already perfected this system in their handheld 360 camera, so bringing it to a drone makes perfect sense. They're leveraging proven technology across their product lineup. Let's talk specs. The Avata 360 is expected to capture video up to 8K resolution using dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors. That's the same sensor size as the Antigravity A1, so image quality should be comparable. Both drones should deliver excellent detail and dynamic range for 360-degree footage. The reported starting price is around 2,988 Chinese yuan, which converts to approximately $425 for the base model. However, as we covered in our previous video, US pricing will likely be around $999 for the Fly More combo once you factor in tariffs and regional markups. The big question is when it launches. Reports say later this quarter, which means by the end of March 2026. And remember, the Avata 360 cleared FCC certification before the December 23rd ban deadline, so it's fully legal to sell in the United States. So how does this compare to the Antigravity A1? Both have dual 1/1.1-inch sensors, both shoot 8K 360-degree video, both weigh under 250 grams for no FAA registration. The pricing will likely be similar at around $1,000 for full combos. The Avata 360's advantages are the rotating camera housing for dual mode operation, no landing gear needed, and DJI's proven ecosystem and reliability. The Antigravity A1's advantage is it's available right now, and there are no ban concerns with Insta360 products in the US market. For creators who want pure 360-degree content and want it now, the Antigravity A1 is the only option available. But for those who can wait and want the flexibility of switching between 360 and regular FPV, the Avata 360 looks like it'll be worth the wait. We should see an official announcement sometime in the next few weeks if the quarter-end timeline holds. DJI has been testing this extensively in the wild, and with FCC approval complete, there's nothing stopping them from launching. Are you Team Avata 360 with its dual mode capability, or Team Antigravity A1 because it's available now? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe so you don't miss the official Avata 360 announcement. Thanks for watching.